morning, guys! Another day in the Columbia River Gorge, another set of waterfalls, starting with Horsetail Falls.
This trail is accessible right off the road. You just walk across and here it is. There's virtually no hike whatsoever.
Up here and then turn right and go to Upper Horsetail Falls. And then continue on this viewpoint and then Oneonta Falls. And then there should be the triple falls after that.
Ready to rock?
Ready to rock.
More hiking. This trail is rated hard, you said?
Yeah.
There are two types of hikers. One hiker likes the uphill because it's easier on their feet and knees. The other hiker likes the downhill because it's easier on your cardio system. Courtney is the downhill kind of person. I actually much prefer the uphill, even though it's more strenuous on the cardio system. My feet and knees get beat up pretty bad when we go downhill. So even though it's a pain going up, I actually like this a bit better.
I'd say there are actually three types of hikers. One who likes the uphill, one who likes the downhill, and one who doesn't do any hills.
Doesn't do any hills, then you're not hiking. At least not in the backwoods. Usually we don't show you video of poop, but there was some nasty dog poop right in the middle of a trail where the owner did not clean it up. This is why, I guess one of the reasons why many trails do not allow you to take dogs, because people do that. So please, please clean up after your dog to make it a little bit more convenient on the rest of us who do clean up after their dogs to take our pups places. We found the Upper Falls.
Some people call them the Ponytail Falls.
Okay, this is just super cool. This is Zion-like. All right, the Upper Horsetail Waterfall is one of the coolest waterfalls I've ever seen. I know you hear me say that a lot, but nature keeps upping the ante. We got to walk back behind the waterfall and get a view from that angle. Just beautiful.
Oneonta Falls, or however you say that. O-E-N-A, something like that.
Camera probably can't hear you.
O-E-N-A, something like that.
O-E-N-A.
Not with a T at the end, I don't know.
With a T and maybe an M.
No,
could be a U thrown in there.
Here, I'll look it up. O-N-E-O-N-T-A.
O-E-O-A-N-O-T-A?
Yeah.
O-A-T-A?
That. Right there. So now we're heading to Triple Falls.
The last one.
Last one, yeah. Of our four.
saying that so far this trail doesn't seem really as difficult as the last one, but it's rated hard. We were kind of waiting for the hard part. And between whatever waterfall we were just at, oh yeah, it's that one, and Triple Falls, looks like this is where the trail gets nice and interesting. That's gonna be fun. How you doing back there?
This is hard.
Yeah, it's not a very maintained trail in places, except for the bridges.
Let it be rocky, because it's probably just continuously getting rocky. So just let it be.
Let it be?
Let it be. It is what it is.
Waterfall Falls. There's 3 of them there. I hope you can see that. There we go. Triple Falls. We already passed the waterfall, but there's a bridge up here and some creeks that you can go in, so we gotta have some fun. We hiked all this way up, so we can't just stop and turn around. The bridge is creaking.
Yeah, it's a little scary actually. Don't do that.
Well, we successfully made it to the 3 waterfalls that we had planned today. 4.
Turns out there were 4.
Oh, with the
Ponytail or Upper Horsetail.
Really, the Upper Horsetail
Or Ponytail.
Ponytail was by far my favorite waterfall. It was so cool to walk underneath, and the photography was amazing. So anyway, we're at the end. Well, the trail keeps going. We're not going to do that because the waterfalls are done. We're going to turn around, head back, and we'll give you some stats when we're back in the bargain lot. This is what happens when you get here later in the day. Parking fills up, and you end up parallel parking along the street. All right, Courtney, throw some stats at us.
Made it back to the bottom. It was just over 5 miles. We were gone 2 hours and 52 minutes. 873 feet of ascent.
Ascent?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
So we were moving for about 2 hours and 14 minutes and stopped for about 37 minutes.
Up at the creek / waterfall.
Yep. There's our altitude profile.
We decided to check out Thunder Island Brewing in whatever city we're in. Cascade Locks. Cascade Locks, Oregon. Hi.
Hi. Ready?
Yes.
We need to check in so you can get your
Oh yeah, that's right.
Cheers.
Well, this view doesn't suck. Texted the receipt to us. They had a choice between 4 beers and 8 beers in their flight. And of course, there's really no choice there with 8, which is all their beers, and, well, aside from 2 IPAs that I switched out for their ciders.
So the cider's Marionberry cider. I want to try that.
Guess who likes the Marionberry cider?
Good?
This one right here. It's the end one. It's that beautiful red.
Very good.
Very good.
My wine's good too.
Pinot Gris. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The way I do flights is I leave my favorite beer for last. Technically this isn't a beer, this is a Marionberry cider, but man, it's good. Left something sweet for my last beer, but Thunder Island Brewing here in, where are we again? I keep
Cascade
forgetting.
Locks.
Cascade Locks. I forgot this coming into. Cascade Locks, Oregon. By far my favorite beer, cider, whatever it is. It's great.
You ain't bad either.